Good afternoon. George Cavaligos for HFT Bonds and Notes. What a day, huh? I hope you guys were ready for what happened last night. I kind of set the table again nicely. I hope you caught some of that. I had I had the inkling we were going to see the new highs. We got the new highs. I had 133.17 and 149.11 as my objectives. The 10-year got up to 133.15 plus, I think, and the bonds got up to 149.06. I had left offers, just in front of the old highs at 133.11 plus, at 10 plus. Those got filled. I left other offers up at 133.16 plus in front of the objective at 17 plus. Obviously, that did not get filled. Got out of that sucker on the way down this morning as I watched, my P&L go from a very nice green level to a not so, well, still, we had a good day. You got to take what you get, I guess. Ended up keeping one small piece just for like poops and grins, and ended up scratching that. So, all right, moving on. What was that rally? Was it a failed fifth wave, or was it something else? If you look at an hourly or shorter term, say a half-hour chart, and you notice the move up to those highs, those levels that I threw out yesterday at 133.17 plus and 149.11 were C equals A, or three-wave up objective levels. That's not an impulse wave. That's not a fifth wave. I think that was an irregular B wave. At least that's where I'm giving the highest probability right now. And the market should now go back and retest the previous lows. 132.24, 147.15, and because it was irregular, oftentimes those lows will be taken out to a certain degree. We'll see, one step at a time. So right now the highest probability, I'm not convinced totally that was a irregular B wave high last night. We have to give that the benefit of the doubt. We're looking for some downside now. We do have these big reversal days intact here. I can't remember the last time I saw a move like that where you had a big outside day bullish, reversal like we saw yesterday. And then today we come in and we see this big hammer candle bearish reversal day. I want to say one other time, way back in like 2009, I saw something like that in the Eurodollars, where the Eurodollars had this big rally and we went up in three waves where it was C equals A, equal swings up, and then we had this massive sell-off. I want to be ready for a bit of a sell-off. I don't think we're going to get a massive sell-off. The background of the current Treasury market is such that we have the Fed buying underneath every day, almost every day now. They're on a 4-day work week now. And we also have, obviously, all this little terrorism stuff kind of percolating around the world. We also have a flood of money coming into the United States at this point, whether it's out of Asia or Europe or the emerging markets. If you look at stock markets in almost all those places, Asian stock markets, emerging markets, they have been underperforming by quite a bit this year. So I think a lot of that money is coming into the States now. I think that explains some of the rally today, in the equities markets, along with the idea that the ECB is going to ease and, free money, low rates, it's going to fix everything, right? Yeah, right. Okay. Looking for some upticks if we get anything tonight to try and put some small shorts on. Going to keep a short-term focus the next couple days. We have some big cycles tomorrow and Thursday. I don't know if that's going to mean like a big move down or a low or a high. I'm not sure what it means, but I think it means we're supposed to be on our toes, looking for solid, reversals and things like that, or solid moves amplified with volume. Like today's move, we saw the biggest volume in the treasuries. You take that with a grain of salt because of this crazy this crazy hack of the news wire. So I'm going to take that with a grain of salt and not give it as much bearishness, but I still am looking for some downside here. 132.24 in the notes, 147.15 in the bonds. We should take those out by a little bit. I don't know if we'll do it the first time down. I'm going to trade, with a short-term scalper's mentality. Sell rally, look for a move down, cover against support, takes out support, sell it again. The next level, I think if we start taking out 132.24 in the 10-year, I've been doing a little bit more work there. We're looking at maybe a test of 132.10. Could be interesting. All right. Be careful. Be safe. Have a great night.